and welcome to HooplaKidz How To.
Hi kid, let's draw lips today. Make curvy lines and join them. Draw a tongue and of course the teeth. The upper row and the row at the bottom. Teeth done. Wasn't that easy? Let's paint the outer lips red. Ooh, I love this color. Suits the lips well. Inside the mouth, yellow. Now let's use some pink for the tongue. Let's use different colors to color the teeth. Wouldn't it be awesome to use a little of green, yellow, purple, and blue for the teeth? This looks nice! Painting is so much fun and it feels so good. Once done painting the upper row, repeat the same for the bottom row. Again, yellow, purple, blue, and yellow and green. Our painting is ready. This looks awesome. Bye-bye. Hi kids, let's begin drawing a lipstick. Draw a rectangle with a slant on one side. A bigger rectangle now. And an even bigger one below. Done! I think we need some nail polish too. Draw a small rectangle. A bigger one with a tapered end. And the brush. Very easy. And now draw a line. This is our mascara wand. Let's quickly give a neat outline. Great! Let's add some fun colors. A pretty pink lipstick, yellow and orange for the tube. Light and dark green too. Awesome! Green for our nail polish. Let's use purple for the bottle. And the center can be in pink. Looks pretty. Yellow and red for our wand. And we're done. Here's our makeup kit. Hope you had fun drawing.